How to zoom and pan in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and import your video into the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to work with is selected, then go to the Edit tab. Now, look at the Inspector panel on the top right of the interface. If it's not visible, click on Inspector to enable it. In this panel, you will find options like Zoom, Position, Rotation, and more. To zoom in on your clip, go to the zoom settings and increase the value. For example, setting both zoom X and zoom Y to 1.2 will enlarge your video by 20%. Make sure to lock the aspect ratio to keep the scaling uniform. To pan the video, use the position controls. Adjust the X value to move the clip left or right and the Y value to move it up or down. This lets you reframe your subject after zooming in, giving you full control over how your clip appears. If you want to animate the zoom or pan effect over time, use keyframes. Click the small diamond icon next to zoom or position, move forward in the timeline, adjust the values again, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically animate between the keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom and pan in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.